Indeed, a colorful celebration of Namibia's 36th independence anniversary at the Oshakati Independence Stadium as we witnessed hundreds of people from across the 11 constituencies of the region making their way to the Oshakati Independence Stadium to ensure that they are part and parcel of the celebrations. Now, those who spoke to express gratitude to the president for decentralizing the celebrations, saying they have an opportunity to be there and also just feast and listen to speeches that are driving Namibia forward. In his speech, Dr. Elijah Ngurare, who was the keynote speaker at the event, spoke about the importance of unity of purpose across Namibia's 14 regions and also ensuring that those in position of power ensure that Namibia's cake and resources are shared equally amongst Namibians, both in urban and rural areas, to ensure that the blood of those that waters Namibia's freedom does not go in vain.
Kehe Namibia na mone uwana wa wewili koro shirongo shetu.
Every Namibian should see and feel as well as benefit from the country's resources and leadership in town and villages, young and old, men and women, politicians and business people. This will ensure that all Namibians benefit from the freedom that many sacrificed their lives for.
Moka tatusimaneke nokudhimburu kwa ayehemboka ombinzi yao ya tikira manguru kolyo shirongo shetu Namibia.
Oshana Governor Hofni Iipinge reiterated renewed commitment towards ensuring that the region grows to its full potential and also reiterated the significance of the 21st of March and urged Namibians to continue coming out in numbers for years to preserve the history of Namibia.
This year's commemoration reminds us that independence is not a development of the past, but a continuous journey, one that calls upon all of us to contribute meaningfully towards national building, economic growth, and social progress.
Various traditional performances kept the crowds on their toes, but one key highlight was that of the Elua Special School when they took to the stand. Happy Independence, Namibia. I am Dapanda Shuya signing out.